Want to create a 3D model of any building using a DJI Avata 360 or any 360 camera? Here's exactly how I do it. First, fly through the building in 360 video mode. Cover every angle, walls, ceiling, floor. The more coverage, the better your 3D model. Once you're done flying, open the DJI app and export the footage as a panoramic video. Make sure you also export the SRT file. That's the GPS data from your flight. You'll need it in the next step. Now this is where it gets interesting. I use a custom tool I built myself. It reads the flight altitude from the SRT file, automatically filters out blurry frames, and stamps GPS coordinates onto every single extracted frame. No manual work, fully automatic. Now take a quick look at the extracted frames. Make sure you have good coverage with no major gaps. If you missed an area, go back and fly it again. Drop all the frames into your photogrammetry software and let it process. You can use any app you like. I personally use WebODM because it's free and does an excellent job. This part takes a while, but trust me, it's worth the wait. And here's the result. A full 3D model from a single flight. One drone, one video, one model. If you enjoyed this and want more drone content like this, subscribe. There's a lot more coming.